Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm officially the world's fastest juicer, and today I'm going to make you my favourite juice. I've coined it over the years, apple spice and everything nice. It's a good refreshing juice to have on a summer's day. For it, you're going to need 3 apples, some ginger and some mint. Okay, so what we got here, we have the ginger. Depends how ginger you want, can burn your throat sometimes, but I like a little bit spicy. So I'm going to start with, say, like a good big knob of it. Fresh mint and your apples, must be green apples, otherwise it wrecks it. So we'll start with the juicer. Handful of mint. Pop it in there. Didn't make much juice, but it's alright. We'll pop it in with an apple. So we'll go the apple first. And then some mint. Now kids, make sure you have an adult around when you do this. Get dangerous. Ginger. We go there with that. Apple. Just chuck that in there. Go. I was waiting for a bit of a stir into your cocktail glass. Finish it off with a bit of mint, and there you go.